Hi! Today I want to show you my Twinkly curtain. I just picked up from the local shop a few days ago. I know there are still over 6 months to Christmas, but there's no reasons to stop me buying fairy lights because it was 40% off and I always want to have a curtain. As usual, this is a Google Alexa compatible and it's in generation 2 RGBW. It's in special edition. I don't know what does that mean. Here it's saying 10 times 21. I guess there are 10 strings of 21 lights. I have another video showing my old 400 LED string. If you are interested, you can check it out as well. So let's open it, have a look. Very nice box as usual. The instruction. Also it's beautiful card. There are some stickers. I don't know where should I stick it. So let's check what's inside the box. Here is the power adapter, Australian power plug. Last time I bought it from US and I had to buy my own power adapter. And here are the lights, the controller. So I think that's about it, nothing in the box. Okay, let's do a quick test. I have to connect the controller to the power adapter. These are the interfaces. Okay, now the moment of truth. Voila, that's the light. All light up. And now I need to set it up. So let me have a look how the lights are organized. Okay, now you can see it's like each one is tied up in one. And how many strings? 2, 8, 10. So 10 string curtain. So I have borrowed the coat hanger rack from another room and just for temporary use here. So these are the single string here. Now I need to open it and let each single string down. So now I have extended the strings, just temporary. Don't worry about the arrangement. I just put it there. It should be better than what I have done. So now I've got the Twinkly app already installed. I already activated Bluetooth, so let's see how does that work. I've got one string with 400 LEDs already. And now add a new one, searching. Okay, seems it has found something. This is my one. And now I have to press and hold the button until the LED starts to turn light blue. So that works. Oh, let's try direct Wi-Fi this time. I have to go to the my Wi-Fi setting to find out this Wi-Fi. This must be the one. Now I have to enter the default password. Okay, let's try again. Okay, seems it's connecting. Okay, it's connected now. Let's go back to the app. Okay, I have to change my password for the direct Wi-Fi. So let me try to map the lights. Map lights. mapping. Okay, start using app. Let me try effect. So, it's obviously working. I'm not going to go through the features in this app again because I've done that in my previous video. The app hasn't changed that much. Okay, now I'm quite happy with the curtain. I just need to find somewhere to hang it properly and rearrange the lights. Okay, that's all about my Twinkly curtain with 210 LED light. Special edition RGB plus W. W stands for warm white. Okay, here are the two lights next to each other. On the left hand side is my old RGB string, and this is a RGBW with warm white. Both are on white color. On the left hand side you can see it's extremely bluish. It doesn't look that blue in reality, but on the video it's terrible. I prefer the warm white color. And if you want to see more about the feature of the Twinkly app, you can check out my older video using the Twinkly string. And I've got also another video showing how to use the Google Assistant to upload playlists. And at the end I want to show you the light using my program GIF sequencer to upload the animated GIF as a playlist. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.